Hi everyone. In the given problem, we have to given an array of digits, we have to add +1 to it and give the result in a list format. So there could be multiple ways of doing it. Let me say 1, 2, and 3. I can just join all of those values to get 1, 2, 3. And then I will just add +1, convert it to string 1, 2, 4, and take a list out of it. That could be one way of doing it. The other, which would be a little bit more complicated, but let's say for the sake, right, it's a part of the math solution. So I can do it in this way. I can create a result value, which is going to have the values of 0 initially. I can add for num in digits. So result would be result equal to result into 10 plus num. So here the result value would be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 1. So result becomes 1, 2, 4. Once you have got the result, I can create a array which would be in this order, and I can say for each in str of result array dot append and integer of each. Looks very straightforward. So there could be multiple ways of solving it, and all of them right would be pretty straightforward. So that's the basic idea. Now let us jump to the Python solution. So the first thing that we're going to do, right, we are going to have our result, which is going to be 0. So for num in digits, it would be result equal to result multiplied by 10 plus num. Once that is done, right, we got the result value. So it would be result equal to result plus 1. Now I can say result array, which is going to be an empty array. So for num in, I have to convert it to string because I can't loop through an integer value. So it would be result, and now res array dot append, and I have to convert it back to integer. So it would be num, and I can return back the result array. Looks very simple and straightforward, which is it is actually. It's very easy code. As you could see, the public test case is passed. Let me submit it up. And here, right, our code is running at a linear time complexity. The first one is just looping through all the elements, and second, during the time we are adding it, so it would be 2 big of n time complexity, which is very, very efficient. As you could see, it's beating 100% of the submission. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.